Howdy everyone, I'm Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I just got my very first full frame camera. It's a Canon EOS RP, a mirrorless camera, and the fact I'm excited is mostly because it's, as I said, a full frame. What does it mean? You will get the best images, the cleanest images in all light conditions. Doesn't matter if it's middle of the day or late in the night, you will have the best quality at any given ISO. Another feature of it I'm okay to have is the flippy screen. You can shoot from up, you can shoot from down, landscape, portrait. It allows you to do all sorts of shots. If you're also into vlogging, you will be able to see yourself on the flippy screen. What's also great about it is that it came with this mount adapter. I'm not sure if you can see it right here, EF to EOS R. Why is that? Because I already have the Nifty 50. And I also have the Tamron 17 to 300, which is a great lens. So what I need right now is to get a wide or ultra wide, maybe. I think it will be a zoom image stabilized lens. And last but not least, this can do 4K. Only 30p, but that's great. It's still 4K. So I didn't do a proper unboxing video because I was impatient to really get to test this, to use it. So no unboxing, just this very first impressions of the camera. So it feels very good in the hand. The materials are great. I think it's like magnesium alloy or something. It's definitely not plastic like the APS-C cameras like 800D. And yeah, I just can't wait to start using it. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate any like, comment, follow, share you do to support my channel. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.